it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we are with Puppa Biggs again. Second one, this. Puppa Biggs with Fuck Up New York. Yes, that's her name. Fuck Up New York. Take off my glass, because I'm going to fuck up the reaction there now. So, that one here, I forward half him album. Yes, him have an album I forward out, so you don't know. I will leave a link to this one. That's going to lead you to his YouTube channel. So, this I got pinned in the comment section. Also, big up AG Slicks production out of Antigua. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Also, big up Wandan Records, El Chapano Records, as usual. Yeah, fully. You know, so, yeah, let's jump in on here and see where the G have to say. You know what I mean? Let's go. All right, let's go.
Yo, J Slicks. I 8 figures I want to see in the day here in my phone.
Yeah, man, big up J Slicks, man. Costello.
So I don't know, see, money we are playing how much.
Really clean.
Yo, J Slicks. Fully dark.
Time fi fuck up New York. Make a bag of money, then me send it back a yard. Me daughter fi get anything she want, and me stepdaughter then fi live good, can't hungry not all.
Yeah, I like the fact that you left out him stepdaughter them neither. You don't know the kids them are innocent. Yes, they must say you have time to fuck up New York. Make a bag of money, it nasty your friend. Where it a go? Jamaica. It a go back a yard. Even though the kids are not here and them back in Jamaica, them still are gonna live nice. Them are gonna live good. Fuck up, fuck you up.
Time fi fuck up New York.
Yeah.
Make a bag of money, then me send it back a yard. Me daughter fi get anything she want, and me stepdaughter then fi live good, can't hungry not all.
Never.
G-Slicks and the Benz, they a push pan the tab. And so we roll, we a star. We a hustle from a band, and every day them a kick like a shot, and they jam mess a lot.
Oh my God. I'm sorry, them never kick.
And them things a hustle from a band, and every day them a kick like a shot, and they jam mess a lot. And them things make some man a pre-war. It's just a touchscreen phone and a call. Mama fly high and a body that a fall. Though the badness you will make your mama bad.
Yeah, man, love the badness, man. And everybody's cut out feet. Love the badness, you will make your mother bad. You will make your mother in a sorrow, in a pain, in a horror. Love the badness. Love the badness. I know they're reading the chip in it, you know. With their what? 52 seconds. We know you're ready, mate. Let's go.
Love the badness you will make your mama bad. Yo, J-Slicks. Forever active, forever hope. Money stack high, could I never bankrupt. Running in them Africa, could their career start boss.
Yeah, man, money stack high, brother. The topic is money. M-O-N-E-Y. Who don't like money? Drop asleep and don't wake up. The topic is money.
Yo, J-Slicks.
Yeah, man.
Forever active, forever hope. Money stack high, could I never bankrupt. Running in them Africa, could their career start boss. And we did and we are the place handcuff. Thief all we swag and them thief all we eye good things. With a youth we forever have style. Things change.
Yeah, man, them teeth one style, we still have a next style. Them teeth always style. Them a shave off our style, brother. But guess what? We can't go out with that one. We have more. We got more. We got more.
Thief all we swag and them thief all we eye good things. With a youth we forever have style. Things change all the while. Migrate them in bang off a line. Money have to triple 10 times.
Yeah, man. When we migrate, when we left Jamaica and reach on a foreign land, and one thing we did find out, money we are making now. Even though some of we last year and go bug out and go bow out. We not depend that, brother. Money depend with mine.
All the while. Migrate them in bang off a line. Money have to triple 10 times. Money for the drugs and a money for the crime. Money had them gyal give me cap they a shine. And we around the place G-Slicks long time. When we did the hustle, some boy a sell back it online.
Jamaica's worst game.
Money for the drugs and a money for the crime. Money Money had them gyal give me cock they a shine. And we are on the place G-Slicks long time. When we did the hustle, some boy a sell back it online.
When we did that hustle, when we did that put in the work, when we did that do the wrong things, we get the right result. Some boy, some fool, some fish, some sprat, some salmon, some herring, some saltfish. What them that do? I sell body online, them forget binds. Them forget binds.
Money for the drugs and a money for the crime. Money had them gyal give me cock they a shine. And we are on the place G-Slicks long time. When we did the hustle, some boy a sell back it online. We can't follow these guys. Hustle we a hustle and we never bad mind. We can't follow these guys.
Never.
Yo, J-Slicks, what we say? Time fi fuck up New York. Make a bag of money, then me send it back a yard. Me daughter fi get anything she want. And me stepdaughter then fi live good, can't hungry not all. G-Slicks and the Benz, they a push from the tag. And so we roll, we a star. We a hustle from a band. And every day them a kick like a shot and they damn mess alive. And them thing me some man a pre-war. Just a touch screen phone and a call. My boy fly high and a body that a fall. Now they badness you and make your mama bad.
Move and make it up. Move and make your fuck.
Badness you and make your mama bad. Yo, G-Slicks, if you know sir. Forever active, forever hope. Money stack high, coulda never bankrupt. For winning them have a confident career start boss. And we did and we had the place handcuff. Thief all we swag and them thief all we eye. Good thing is a youth we forever have style. Thing change all the while. Migrate them and bang off the line. Money have to triple 10 times.
I tick too, you know. When I feel something I say, you know. You see thickness, man. See thickness, man.
Yo, G-Slick.
G, them outside to make money, man. Big
Yo,
time, man.
Benz. Bam, bam.
G-Slick, bam, bam. Okay, there's another, okay.
Them for not say we born bad, you know.
Born bad.
The good same way. You see me? We have a dream, and I have a bomb buckler plan. You hear that?
Straight.
You're well chopping
Shit.
here. Me see the dream set a plan can't fall, man, and done. And if me ever did fall, that couldn't be feel like a bang.
Yeah, man. Nah, so we can't fall in a brother, but if we ever did fall, can't be for long, brother, because we are go get her, we are go step out. This is a different song. I guess this is one after the project when I drop or when just drop. So let's
plan can't fall, man, and done. And if me ever did fall, that couldn't be feel like a bang of them there and a choppy line chang. Bang, 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 till we chop a million. Big Benz pan the road and a post some song. When a people like this a rich man twang. Louis V suit, come in Louis Bantan. And if a boy step a foot, me say what a bam bam. Shell on the place like a Winnie Amsterdam. And me say what a bam bam.
bang, bang.
Drop a new plane like a Winnie Amsterdam. Like a Winnie Amsterdam. Bad boom, you know the hoop. That's why me pre-riches move out the hoop.
Puppa Big Bam Bam coming soon.
Kill the win the hoop.
Clap. Puppa Big's Bad Mind it name coming soon. The second one bad too. Just like the first one. One thing what I wanna do, like me said, that one is half him album. So this one will be pinned in the comment section. So please, do me a favor, just go check it out, no, man. Yeah, man. You see me? Album out. So make sure say wanna go check out the youth work. I put in the work. Puppa Big's big up yourself, Benji. The street album. Yes, it's an album for the streets. So go check it out. Tell him, say yo, JAMAICA'S game I send you. You see me? Like me say, click on the link below. Me save you the trouble of going searching. You understand? So yeah, do the right and don't make the right do no. You know what thing go? Oh yeah! Catch you in the next one, man. Puppa Big's big up yourself. Production team, big up yourself. Outside.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.